see what I got here. All I got was an iPad? Worst Christmas ever.
A potato? Oh, yes. I got one, Tay.
Give it. Ha! I got a piece of bread.
Cottage cheese? What an ideal Christmas present.
A pickle.
Bloody Nerf.
Nerf dots. I'm rich.
Stop that, you peasants!
Who are you?
I am the fabled king of Nerf. And as my peasants under my rule, you will all pay Christmas tributes for my protection. Pay up.
I don't want to pay.
You shall pay or you shall die. Guards! Now pay me your tribute, peasants. All of it. Everything. Right now. You. Now. All of it. The pickle too. Don't try to cheat me out on my good pickle. The loaf. The loaf. The drink. All of it. Give me your meat. I love meat. Ooh, is that a chicken tender? Give me that. And the juicy bird too. Oh. Guards, take their darts. Ah! Ah ha ha ha! I'm rich.
Nerf, I present to you this gift.
What's up guys, I'm Paul from PDK Films and I hope you enjoyed the battle. We would like to thank King of Avalon Excalibur War for sponsoring this video. Be sure to download and play King of Avalon Excalibur War for free.
You can download it for Android or iOS by clicking on the link in the video description below. On behalf of PDK Films, we'd like to wish you all a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and we'll see you next video. Peace!